With our honor of Women's History Month, we have products created by and developed by women. Lifestyle advisor Dawn McCarthy is here to show us some amazing products. It's good to have you back.
I'm so happy to be here. I love this month. I love celebrating women. And first up, this is Natracare.com. And Susie Hewson is the founder of this brand. And she's actually an eco-warrior, Amy. Her product, she pioneered the world's first period products back in 1989 that are all natural and organic. Again, her entire line is plastic-free tampons, but she's now made it eco-friendlier as well with just cleansing makeup remover pads. We've got maternity pads for moms to be. She's got something for everyone, but in the world of organic and natural, she is the ultimate eco-warrior, 100% certified organic, and these are even compostable. Believe it or not, all of her products, you know, for women and stuff like that. So I really, really love her. And again, if that ever comes up on a quiz, who was the pioneer? It's Susie.
Susie, okay, I got to remember that name.
We can't talk about Women's History Month without talking about skin care. And this is Laleh. This is Laleh Ford.These skincare, and she's actually local here in Newport Beach. So you can go into CDM Drugs or the pharmacy. She's a research scientist, a pharmacist, a doctor. Her products are like under umbrellas of famous other brands that I can't even talk about. An award-winning developer. And again, her products have like glutathione, but you can come in there and they can be made to order. So you can go into her, talk to her, see her. Again, she's local in the Newport Beach area. They're all handmade. It's local. I absolutely love it because sometimes maybe you need a little something different in your actual product. She can do that for you. And again, I love it that it can be customized if need be.
Like a sensitivity or something.
Exactly. So she is wonderful. Next, this is a product. This is Adrina. She's actually a good friend of mine. And everyone wonders because I always have to get so many gifts for people. So I think the best gifts to ever give are the gifts that you can use every single day. I know you've actually had a problem recently with your washer and dryer, you were saying. So she's got washer and dryer sheets, but they're all very different. And I love her multi-purpose cleaning tablets and foaming hand soaps. That's what I did up on the coming up. So they come in these little tablets below. You can just put them in. This is their hand soap. And then these are all inspired by top scents. So I know, what did you kind of think that you thought that this smelled like too?
This smells like a really nice, clean perfume.
So Baccarat Rouge, inspired by maybe a little Chanel. And again, these are great gifts that you can travel with. I put these in my suitcase. Anywhere that you want it to just smell absolutely amazing. It's a great gift for Mother's Day. It's a great gift to give to women. All together, the soaps. Like I said, everybody needs this in their home every day to clean. All different scents. This, and again, she's a mompreneur. She does so many things. You have to check her out.
The bottles are really pretty too.
Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it's a gift in itself to just give. And then next, I have a new mom, and this is a book. What does this say, Amy?
Sam Says You Were Born to Shine.
And this is by Sam Hirschmann, and I love this book. She's a new mom, and she actually grew up wearing glasses. So this is really about being unapologetic about who you really are. Go ahead and do those funny dance moves if you want. Go ahead and wear those colorful clothes if you want. Just be you. So kids, you know, really need to learn at a young age that sometimes being a little different is okay. You just got to be you. So it's a really relatable book. It's probably between ages 3 to 8 or so. I absolutely love it. And again, who doesn't love a good book that's really affordable and every kid needs one? And then lastly, so we're used to wearing trucker hats for ourselves. So these are kidstruckerhats.com, and these are two best friends that actually created this brand. This is Kim and Abby, and this is really inspired by the SoCal surf and skate kind of phenomenon that's happening. Really fun designs. They've got the air in the back for them to keep them cool, but it's really fun. I mean, kids want to look good and feel good just like their parents do. So I love it's blending comfort and style, adventure and carefree spirit. And again, I love these so much that if you have a smaller head like myself, even though they are for kids, those of us that have a smaller head can absolutely wear these as well. They're just really fun,
really cute,
and cute. They have really great designs. I love them for kids because we want our kids to be really stylish. Again, $26, and they're just really fun.
Well, I'm sorry that they won't fit on my head.
Happy Women's History Month, Amy.
We certainly want to thank you for coming in. Of course, you can find more information about Dawn's Corner and all of the products that you've just seen by going to kcalnews.com and click Seen on TV.